Welcome to Basic Command Line Skills.
Mastering the command line is a valuable skill for anyone entering tech. The command line lets you communicate directly with your computer using simple text commands. Today, you'll learn how to navigate directories, view files, and perform basic file management tasks, all essential for developers, IT professionals, and anyone serious about tech.
Navigating the file system.
Navigating folders is easy with a few key commands. Use cd to change directories, type cd folder name to move into a folder, or cd ... to go up one level. pwd shows your current location, and ls lists files and folders in your current directory. These commands help you find your way around any file system.
Viewing and creating files.
To see what's inside a file, use cat filename to display its contents. If the file is long, try less filename to scroll through it. To create a new file, use touch filename. You can also create folders with mkdi folder name. These commands are the foundation for working with files in the command.
Moving, renaming, and deleting.
Managing files is simple with a few commands. Use mv old name new name to rename or move a file. The cp source destination command copies files, and rm filename deletes them. To remove folders, use rm-r folder name. Always be cautious. There is no undo in the command line.
Essential tips for beginners.
Practice makes perfect. Explore new commands using the built-in manual. Type man command to read about any command. Remember, the command line is case-sensitive, so type carefully. Start by practicing these basic commands, and you'll soon feel confident managing files and navigating the tech world with ease.